Today we are making creamy chicken in my instant pot in just under 10 minutes, and here are my ingredients. I have some chicken, some spices, mushroom, and uma masala spice mix from Woolworths. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I will heat up some butter and olive oil in my instant pot and fry the chicken just to brown it and make it nice and crispy. Okay, and then I'll set it aside, and then I'm gonna fry my onions, garlic, and my mushrooms, and then add a little bit of water to deglaze the instant pot, because if it has some bent parts it won't allow to pressure cook. And then after that I'm gonna bring back my chicken and then add some black pepper and then close my instant pot and then set it to 8 minutes. Okay, so after 8 minutes, I'm going to mix my cream with the creamy beef stroganoff spice, and I'm just gonna mix that up on the side, and then I will add it to my chicken to thicken it up. If you want, you can add the cream and flour, but for me, I love this beef stroganoff spice. It's very delicious. I sometimes use it for chicken livers as well, so try it and you'll see. Okay, so my chicken is almost ready. I'm gonna add some herbs. You can add basil or parsley, whatever you like. And yes, that is it. It's ready and it is so delicious. Oh, I also added sun-dried tomato paste from Woolworths, but that is absolutely optional. I just love it so much. And yes, that is it. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me in my kitchen. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, thank you. Bye.